In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Big Studio account with Facebook using the Meta Pixel and CAPI. If you're looking to enhance your digital marketing efforts and track user interactions more effectively, this step-by-step guide is just what you need. To get started, make sure you have your Facebook link ready, and then head over to the Big Studio platform. Once you've logged into your account, you'll land on the main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage and access all the features tailored to your needs. The first thing you need to do is locate the settings option. Generally, you can find this in the menu bar, often represented by a gear icon. This icon serves as the gateway to a wide array of customization options. When you click on the settings, you'll be directed to a new page filled with various choices that allow you to adjust the fundamental aspects of your Big Studio experience. In this area, your main focus should be on the Market Integration section. This section is specifically meant for connecting external marketing tools and platforms to your Big Studio account, which is precisely what's required for this integration with Facebook. Next, look for the option labeled as Meta Pixel and CAPI. To give you a little background, Meta Pixel, previously known as the Facebook Pixel, is a powerful piece of code that you embed on your website. It allows you to measure the effectiveness of your advertising by understanding the actions people take on your site. On the other hand, CAPI, which stands for Conversions API, works alongside Meta Pixel to ensure more accurate conversion tracking and even provides more control over the data you share. Together, they create a comprehensive toolset for optimizing your advertising campaigns and enhancing your results. Now that you're on the right page, it's time to connect your Big Studio account with Facebook. Look for the Connect button clearly displayed on your screen. Clicking on this will start the process of linking your two accounts. If you haven't already, you may need to log into your Facebook account. So make sure your login details are handy, because you'll need to authorize this connection. Once you've successfully logged in and authorized the link, your Big Studio account will be connected to your Facebook account using the Meta Pixel and CAPI integration. This connection is crucial because it ensures that you're capturing the correct data to help you target your audience more precisely and improve your ad campaigns. Finally, take a moment to double-check everything is set up correctly. Revisit some of the pages on Big Studio, confirming that the data is being captured as expected. And there you have it, a simple, effective way to integrate these powerful tools to elevate your digital marketing strategies. By following these straightforward steps, you've unlocked new possibilities for your marketing efforts. Thanks for watching.